We also have another ancillary center in Rabindranath Tagore Institute in Calcutta, and we do about 10 cardiac surgeries per day. With this background, for the first time in the state of Andhra Pradesh, Narayan Hrudayalaya hospitals have entered in collaboration with Mr. Mallareddy's group, and we have Narayan Hrudayalaya Mallareddy Hospital in Hyderabad. Though the name Narayan Hrudayalaya indicates our core competence in adult and pediatric cardiology and cardiac surgery, we are a multi-specialty hospital in Hyderabad. We cater to each and every medical and surgical specialty, and we have state-of-the-art equipment and very well-trained specialists who work for this hospital. You may ask me, what is the specialty of Narayan Hrudayalaya? And that is caring with compassion. There are several corporate hospitals, but as I said, one of the core competencies in pediatric cardiology or cardiac surgery, many organizations do not want to go for this because it is not cost effective. When Dr. Devi Shetty, our chairman, started this program in Bangalore under Yashaswini, we used to actually spend a lot more money per patient than what we used to get from Yashaswini scheme, but we ran it with passion. Similarly, in Hyderabad today, not many centers, in fact, really speaking, I don't know of anyone who does a lot of work in congenital cardiac surgery which has to do with homografts. For example, if someone has to undergo a Ross procedure or a truncus repair, it requires a lot of initial money investment, and homografts themselves cost anywhere between 65 to 75,000 rupees, and under the Arogyasri scheme, they are unable to sustain. But we have taken a decision to push it forward. Even if hospital has to pay money from its own fund, we are ready to undertake this because of our passion to give health to needy babies. We don't want any patient who comes to Narayan Hrudayalaya to go away because there is no money. So by some method, we'll try to make sure that each and every entrant into this hospital goes away, and that is caring with compassion. We are here to serve Arogyasri patients and other corporate patients as well, and we are on an expansion mode. This is a 500-bedded facility, and we dream of having a health city which has got 5,000 beds, and it is only a matter of time we will be one of the best hospitals.